a high spot there we had to get rid of.
Today we're talking about the importance of roofs and roof repair and the cautionary tale of ignoring your roof. I think that's the theme. So I've flown Kyle out here on my private jet, and he's gonna fix the roof on my shitty old Ford truck. Let's have a roof close-up. Oh, it's holding water already.
You're gonna have to bail it out?
I've been using this truck as a rain gauge for several years, but before it starts pouring into the interior and then wrecking the rest of the truck, I thought maybe we'd give her the old college try. I got Kyle here. He's never fixed a dent, so it's going to be a real learning experience from him. What do you think, Kyle?
Yeah.
Pretty classic barn fell on my truck dent, actually. This truck for many years sat in this, before this metal building was here, there was a collapsed hog barn, and that's where I found this truck when I moved here. And other than the roof being all arsed up, it's not bad. I say we give her a couple of kicks and then go over to Dan's and goof off, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at my crane shot, eh?
Yeah.
I bet you we could put the camera on the hood and just dent the hood instead. Whoa! Oh, that hurt. Ouch. You can hardly see the dent from in here.
Yeah.
Looks like we're gonna need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So I guess the show's canceled for today.
Yeah.
Because that's the one that's always missing. What's holding this thing in here?
Just another Phillips.
Oh, Frankers is gonna be helping a lot today.
Yeah, she's already off to a good start.
Oh, was that your water?
Oh, not anymore. It's hers now.
She loves stealing people's waters. Well, I got lots more.
I got extra.
Have you got extra? Because that one's now Franker's. She steals them right out of Tom's bike, eh? Drives him nuts. Okay.
You probably want to get out for that, just in case there's any residual.
Oh, fuck. Hey, no swearing.
Oh, sorry.
You know that ruins your channel, eh?
Awesome. What do we got to work with there?
It's actually easy.
Oh.
Look at the access.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. It's not like one of those dumb Chevs where you have to cut half the truck apart. Yeah. You know what we should do now is just go mix 4 gallons of water. Are we really out of... dude, I'm so sorry. It's gonna go. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's gonna work fine, right?
Sure.
You want to de-stress it now?
Yeah, maybe. Hey.
Okay, that's a good
Yeah.
part of it.
Yeah.
Maybe
It's gonna need some more.
the mallet, whatever. We'll
Yeah.
need some tuning, but that's popped a lot of it. Okay, what's the next one? Here? Is that, you can get at that though, I think.
Yeah.
You want to do this one and then we just concentrate on the fine details?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Oh, what about my big spoon? Did we not bring the big spoon? No.
No, we only brought the...
Oh, yeah, I'll go get the nice big leverage spoon.
What are the chances that he knows where the big spoon is?
I know.
Gonna be another half an hour.
We might be lucky.
Yeah, I hope so.
That's your friend.
Oh.
Okay, do you want me on the outside tapping down high spots?
Yeah, what tool do you want?
Kind of a hammer, I guess.
This one's nice and loose, so...
Yeah, that's probably more my speed right
Yeah.
there.
Don't step in that.
Oh, there's lots of broken glass to stand on. Oh, a nice great big piece of a broken mirror here, that's good.
Oh.
There it goes.
Wow.
Can you come over to about here?
Right here. You want maybe we can just use a dolly for that part. This needs a lot of work still.
Yeah.
But that can be handled like
Yeah.
right from here.
That can be done easily from there. More towards the back of the truck?
I can't really get too much.
No?
Let me try the big spoon here.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, you're good there. Okay. But, I mean, it's neighborhoody.
I would yeah.
So, now what do you want to do?
I mean that's
Just
gonna take some of the wrinkles out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
You want to wrinkle that out
Yeah.
back here? If that will do it.
Francis,
That's what you would.
come on.
I know this is not what you.
Yeah, good girl. Come on, let's go. Good girl. It's a bit too noisy.
I was getting it.
Yeah, maybe like
There.
there.
Okay. More of that.
More right.
Okay. And here maybe.
Yeah. You can probably see it easier from the inside because the outside's all flaky.
Yeah, Maybe if I hold here and you
Yeah,
get
just
there.
chase it in.
Yeah. I'll just kind of push up in here.
Yeah.
Maybe here. Does the door still hit? Doesn't. I don't hear it rubbing.
It's
Used to.
close, but I mean, this still could come up here in the corner, but
Yeah. But I mean, it was rubbing before you.
oh, so that we're
But you could hear it when you open the door. It was like screech.
yeah, we're good.
So it's good now.
Done.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like a yeah, soft area right there.
Okay. That's getting it. Well,
I think
that's a take.
Wow, yeah, I mean, really.
Well, that's what we set out to do. Does it shed water? Damn straight it does.
Door doesn't rub.
Door doesn't rub? Let's have a lookie. That's so much better, man. Right?
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, well, we could spend the rest of the day on this, or we could go do something fun.
Yeah.
So I'm voting for option B because that sheds water now. Look at that, even that big kink. That looks pretty decent, man. That was really arsed.
I mean, if you, yeah. Yeah.
Well, if I restore the truck, I'll call you back, and we
Okay.
can dial it in the rest of the way. But if
Well, at least it's repairable now, but by the time you get around to restoring it...
well, it won't be rusted through, right? Yeah, exactly. And now the door fits. Well, ish. They never fit that great anyway,
Yeah, that's always the...
as you
They were
know.
never like, they were the stuff from factory.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, you could get a cigarette paper in there now. You couldn't before. And it actually doesn't make any noise now.
Yeah.
That's way better. And we never even pushed on it. That just came out. That was all just stress from the skin. Even this, not bad.
Yeah.
Like that was
That was
way
That
down.
was pretty harsh.
That looks pretty decent. Sure. Oh, I've seen way worse than that mudded over.
Yeah.
Right? Like,
Yeah.
that is awesome. All right, you can go now.
Thanks.
Thanks for joining us on the importance of roof repair with Kyle. Keep your roofs straight and dry.
Yeah.
Cautionary tale. That's it. Look at that. Just like we were never here. All right. There we go.
Yeah.
Restored F250 for sale.
That took longer to find all the tools than it did to pop the tent.
Yeah, and we never did find them all.
No.
Luckily, we found some that looked close, and we used those. Oh, nice. Thanks, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, that door worked awesome.
That's way better. Oh, spoke too soon. There we go. That's fantastic. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.